What if I told you a small, independent research lab is outsmarting Silicon Valley's biggest tech giants without $1 billion budget? Welcome to the new era of intellectual sovereignty. Meet Bangsaen AI, of specialized AI agents, and a radical mathematical approach called Linear Embedding Control. They aren't just replacing expensive hardware. They are completely hacking the global patent system. Forget waiting years for legal protection. Here is how Bangsaen AI is securing USPTO patents in mere months and rewriting the rules of the tech industry from the ground up.
If you are building cutting-edge software or AI, waiting for standard legal protection is a massive risk. In high-tech industries, a long wait means your technology will be commercially dead before it is officially protected. This timeline chart shows the traditional wait time for a U.S. patent. The United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, currently sits on a backlog of nearly 800,000 applications. Because of this volume, inventors wait an agonizing 22.4 months to receive an initial review. We are going to bypass that wait. In this breakdown, you will learn how to build a specialized AI agent swarm to draft a highly technical patent application in a fraction of the usual time. Then, we will format that application specifically to skip the line, using the USPTO's Track One program, a fee-based channel designed to expedite your review. Mastering this workflow turns intellectual property from a defensive waiting game into an aggressive, rapid deployment business weapon. Step 1 starts before you even open the AI. You must possess a finalized invention disclosure. This is a highly detailed document outlining your technical architecture or your mathematical models. Once you have that document, you immediately deploy the first phase of the swarm, the prior art search agent. Prior art refers to any evidence that your invention is already known, such as earlier patents or public documents. This agent uses contextual semantic understanding to grasp the actual engineering intent behind your concepts. This agent simultaneously scans millions of documents across global databases. It checks the USPTO, the European Patent Office, and China's patent database, instantly filtering out irrelevant noise. A human attorney typically spends 30 to 40 hours acting as a research bottleneck. The specialized agent completes the global sweep in mere minutes. Eliminating this early delay provides the immediate, crystal-clear legal intelligence you require to safely move into the actual drafting phase. Step 2 is the claim drafting agent. The claims define the legal boundaries of your invention, making this the most critical phase in the workflow. To use the Fast Track program, you navigate strict quotas. You prompt the AI to generate a maximum of 4 independent claims and 30 total claims. You must strictly forbid multiple dependent claims, or your application is instantly disqualified from Track One. You also face Section 101, the part of U.S. patent law that prohibits patenting abstract ideas. If the AI drafts claims describing pure mathematics or abstract software concepts, the examiner will reject them outright. Your prompt must force the agent to tie all algorithms directly to a concrete, practical application, such as a physical hardware transformation or a highly specific industrial process. This precision-engineered prompting allows you to navigate past rejections while fitting perfectly inside the rigid Track One quotas. Step 3 brings us to the specification phase. Here, we must satisfy Section 112 enablement. This demands the patent clearly teach a skilled expert how to build and use the invention without unreasonable experimentation. This diagram illustrates moving from black box to white box AI. You achieve enablement by uploading core architectures, like these mathematical operators and the ESP32 microcontroller, into the specification agent, which automatically synthesizes the background, summary, and detailed description. The system effectively translates raw engineering data into a bulletproof legal narrative. Your lead engineer stays focused on building the product without writing any dense legalese. Step 4 is the compliance agent. This acts as the final automated proofreader. It runs a high-speed check to catch antecedent basis errors, as well as mismatches between figure numbers and the text. This comparison chart shows the hours spent on patent drafting. Reaching this stage manually takes around 35 human hours. Using the agent swarm, you complete the exact same workload in roughly 3.5 hours. Despite the AI's speed, a human expert must perform one final, comprehensive read-through to verify all technical and legal claims before any documents are signed and submitted. Compressing the timeline creates a massive financial advantage. Using the swarm, you save an estimated $9,000 to $16,000 in traditional attorney drafting fees. You now take a fraction of those saved funds and pay the USPTO's Track One prioritized examination fee. Depending on your entity size, this costs between $1,806 and $4,515. By making this move, you convert saved legal capital into bureaucratic speed, rewriting the economics of patent acquisition. Following these steps means you have successfully drafted and submitted a fully Track One compliant patent application. You bypass the standard 22-month wait. Your first response from the examiner arrives in an average of just 1.8 months, and you receive a final disposition in roughly 5 months. Final disposition is the conclusive decision by the USPTO to either grant or abandon the patent. Once the filing is officially submitted, you can execute an aggressive YouTube-first strategy. You must strictly ensure your public demonstration occurs only after the fast-track filing is locked in. Broadcasting details beforehand destroys the novelty of your invention and ruins your chance at a patent. Novelty is a legal requirement that an invention must be different from anything previously known or disclosed to the public. Because you have a locked-in priority date from the USPTO, you can safely broadcast your technology to the world immediately. You can safely show the technical proof because your fast-tracked patent application is securely in the system. This strategy allows lean teams to secure the exact same intellectual territory as massive tech giants, moving at the speed of software rather than the speed of bureaucracy.
Bangsaen AI's YouTube-first methodology proves one massive point. The barrier to entry has officially been shattered. With an AI swarm handling the heavy lifting and brilliant white box math running on low-power chips, independent innovators no longer have to fear the tech giants. They can out-innovate and out-patent them. What do you think about this shift in power? Could AI swarms help you protect your next big idea? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in AI and tech strategy, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep innovating.